Cadillac, renowned for its blend of luxury and performance, has set its sights on the UK market with a bold move, the introduction of the Cadillac Escalade ESV in a right-hand drive, RHD, configuration. This adaptation, aimed squarely at discerning British enthusiasts, represents Cadillac's commitment to expanding its presence in international markets while offering an unparalleled driving experience. The Cadillac Escalade ESV, already celebrated for its imposing presence and opulent interior, undergoes a meticulous transformation to meet UK regulations and driver preferences. The RHD conversion not only adheres to stringent standards but also ensures that every detail, from the placement of controls to the layout of the cabin, maintains Cadillac's signature blend of comfort and sophistication. Pioneering this transformation is Cadillac's dedication to delivering excellence without compromise. The Escalade ESV, now tailored for UK streets, retains its commanding stature and unmistakable Cadillac design language. Boasting a spacious interior that epitomizes luxury, it offers ample room for passengers and cargo alike, making it a versatile choice for both urban commutes and long-distance journeys. While the RHD conversion enhances accessibility for UK drivers, it also reflects Cadillac's commitment to meeting global demand for its flagship SUV. With a starting price that reflects the craftsmanship and engineering involved, a reported £200,000, the Escalade ESV RHD positions itself at the apex of luxury SUV offerings in the UK market. Beyond its exterior allure and interior refinement, the Escalade ESV RHD stands as a testament to Cadillac's heritage of innovation and prestige. Each detail, meticulously crafted and meticulously inspected, speaks to Cadillac's dedication to exceeding expectations. From the plush leather upholstery to the advanced infotainment system, every element harmonizes to create an unparalleled driving environment. For prospective owners in the UK, the Cadillac Escalade ESV RHD represents more than just a vehicle, it embodies a lifestyle choice, a statement of refined taste and uncompromising luxury. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on cross-country adventures, drivers can expect nothing less than exceptional performance, comfort, and exclusivity. As Cadillac introduces the Escalade ESV RHD to the UK market, it not only expands its global footprint but also reaffirms its status as a purveyor of automotive excellence. With each RHD conversion, Cadillac invites drivers to experience the epitome of luxury SUVs, where every journey is defined by elegance, comfort, and unmatched prestige. In conclusion, the Cadillac Escalade ESV RHD conversion for the UK market signifies more than just a vehicle adaptation, it represents Cadillac's unwavering commitment to delivering uncompromising luxury and performance worldwide. With its distinctive design, sumptuous interior, and bespoke RHD configuration, the Escalade ESV invites drivers to embrace a new standard of automotive opulence on UK streets.